Hi, my name is Jessica Pouts, and I will be discussing my part of the fishbowl advertisement. So, I wanted to talk about the full objective of this assignment in general. So, we were given three different ads, and we are supposed to analyze them. And with these three ads, the first one talks about events, the second one talks about beer, and the third one talks about a late night and the different types of alcohol they sell. So I want to dive in with the first advertisement. So I labeled this one events because it really focuses on the Fishbowl's events. So I feel as the overall objective of this advertisement is to tell their customers when these events are happening. So obviously it gives the dates. It explains that karaoke is every Thursday night. And it has the different DJs or what people are performing on these nights. And I think that's really important with this advertisement. The audience for this advertisement would be ages 21 and up, obviously, because it is a bar, but I think it's focusing more towards couples and people around their 30s. Because if you look at the type of events, like for example, Dad Bod, that would focus more towards dads or older people in probably like early to middle 30s group. What is the effectiveness of this advertisement? So when you're talking about effectiveness, you're thinking about how the bar can really benefit from this advertisement. And if you want to look at that, I would definitely look at what were the sales on the event nights versus what the sales were on just a regular Tuesday night if you don't have an event that night. Maybe see how many people came into the bar on an event night, how many people actually participated in karaoke night, if there are different tallies or ways that you can look up that. I know with karaoke night people have to sign up, so if you have that sign up sheet, you could see how many people signed up that night and see if it's like a repeat of the same people or if there are a different total of people. Number four, what role in the marketing mix does this advertisement play? So the role that I first want to talk about would be promotion, because the ad is obviously promoting these different events. It's not saying that there's a special deal going on that if you come these nights, but is promoting these events. And I know during the weekday there isn't usually a cover charge, but during the weekends there are cover charges, and most of these events are on the weekends. So it's kind of like if you come, you're paying for your cover fee, and obviously you'll be paying for drinks and stuff like that as well, but you're kind of getting into like a little mini concert for free, and that's promoting not only these DJs and bands, but the bar itself. Number five, what is their image in this advertisement? So I really want to dive in with this image. I want to talk about their logo. They put their logo on the top, and it has their location when they first started up and their name. And I like how it's right at the top, very seen. Everybody can understand it. Everybody knows that it's a fishbowl ad, which is fantastic. There's no confusion in the branding of this advertisement. Number six, what other promotion mix factors are there in this advertisement? So the other promotion mix factors, there's no price on this advertisement. There's no product that they are pushing out. There is place. So place, basically, it says it in the advertisement. It says it on the logo. So Fishbowl, Salisbury, North Carolina. It gives their place, it gives their location, so people are more prone to come to this bar if they're either close to Salisbury or close to the Rowan County area. Now we will talk about number seven. What is the unique selling proposition for this advertisement? So the way I looked at this advertisement is that if customers would want more events, whether it be DJs, bands, theme nights, etc., then you would promote those events. To get those same customers or more customers, that's why you would have these advertisements, to keep pushing out those events. You're focusing on these theme nights and stuff like that, etc. And eight, what is the basis for the appeal of this advertisement? So the point is to please the customer ultimately. The ad won't please anyone with just copy, and that is what I will dive into more when I talk about my new advertisement that I created. You need to make sure that your advertisement stands out so people will want to come to these things. The second advertisement is about late night lager. So what is the objective of this advertisement? Well, it is also to get customers to come to the bar, obviously, but for this specific beer, they are promoting the lager from New Serum Brewery. What is the target audience? 21 and up, obviously, but I feel like this one would target more beer enthusiasts than anything. What is the effectiveness of this advertisement? Well, the way you can look at that, I would see how many lagers did you sell on a specific night. If you want to really focus on it, pick a specific night throughout the week or pick a week after this advertisement was out, because you didn't specify a date, so you can compare maybe a popular lager that you had before, how many you sold of that before this advertisement, and then this specific lager, how much you sold after this advertisement came out. And what role in the marketing mix does this advertisement play? So I really want to talk about the product, obviously. So you have product, price, place, and promotion. Yes, product, place, and promotion. So here I would like to talk about the product, because obviously it's pushing out a specific beer, a specific lager, and you want this beer, you don't really want any other beer. And what I really liked is that it says only available at the Fishbowl. So it's really pushing your product and your place for this advertisement. What is their image in this advertisement? So personally, I think this image looks a little sloppy. If you're trying to promote New Serum as well, you would want to put that logo on the glass, or you would want to put it someplace else. You don't want the New Serum logo and the Fishbowl logo to mix with each other, because they're two separate things. It's not one major thing. The branding of the lager is great with the copy Late Night Lager. I love that slogan. It's catchy. People will remember it, and people will want to come back for that specific lager. As I mentioned before, only available at the Fishbowl. That is a very important copy as well. People won't go somewhere else for this lager. The only other place they would go would be the brewery New Serum, because it's not promoting any other place that might have that specific lager. Its focus is on the lager, but at a bar, not at a brewery. So you want to drink a good beer, but also have your fun atmosphere that the Fishbowl has to offer. And then with the way that I adjusted this advertisement, we'll talk about that later on. Number 6, what other promotion mix factors are there in this advertisement? So price, no, there's no price on the lager. Product, yes, I mentioned that before. Place, yes, we have talked about in the previous advertisement and a little bit in this advertisement that the logo does have the location of the bar. And a promotion, yes, this promotion mix factor does offer a promotion of some sort. You are partnering with New Serum and you're getting their beer for a limited time. Honestly, if you added that limited time feature, it could be a little bit of a white lie if you are having this beer for a good while, but if you're having it for a limited time, people are more prone to come and be like, oh, I have to get this while it still lasts type thing. 7, what is the unique selling proposition for this advertisement? So if customers enjoy New Serum beer, but a bar atmosphere, then combine the two and you'll get happy customers and more of them. 8, what is the basis for the appeal of this advertisement? Basically, if you like a lager, then you'd like this promotion. So if you don't like beer, sorry, this advertisement really isn't for you. Third advertisement, I named it Open Until 2 a.m. So what is the objective of this advertisement? Obviously to get people to come enjoy themselves till a late time. It says that it's open until 2 a.m. and not everything in Salisbury is open that late. What is the target audience? 21 and up, obviously, but more so outgoing people, party goers, people who want to stay out late, have a good time. what is the effectiveness of this advertisement? Basically, the way you could look at this is, have you ever closed early because of a slow night that the bar was having? And with like probably Friday and Saturday nights are probably your busy nights. So you could analyze how many shots or drinks were sold with this advertisement out. Because you say that you have $3 shots and $4 drinks. So dive in to those specific alcoholic beverages and see how many you sold and see if this advertisement really, really pushed anything. What is their image? Number 4. What is the role in the marketing mix? Price of the drinks are on there. They're cheap, and it helps get more people there for cheap drinks. Like you could say, like, also I don't want to like add limited time again, but like only Saturday night, like, well, it says, oh, you did that Tuesday, $3 shots, $4 drinks, so it pushes people to come on that Tuesday, which I really enjoyed. Image. Yes, what is the image of this advertisement? You're differentiating products by their price, which I really enjoy. $3 shots, $4 drinks. And the logo is also very good. And I enjoyed the date. Other promotion mix factors. Product, yes, shots and drinks, 2 different kinds. Price, yes, we talked about that before. Place, yes, in the logo. And staying open until 2 a.m., that is also very important with place. And promotion, you're promoting alcohol and a late night. Like, obviously, you're a bar, so, like, alcoholic beverages, awesome, rock. But you're promoting that you're open until a late night. Like, your competitors would probably be DJs, and I don't think they're open exactly until 2 a.m., especially on a Tuesday. Your unique selling proposition for this advertisement. If customers will pay for cheap shots and drinks, they will be happy. Obviously, they'll continue to get more because they're cheap. And also to make more of a profit, you could use like a bottom shelf tequila for those $3 shots that honestly your customer doesn't know that it's a bottom shelf shot. That's why it's so cheap, and then you would make more of a profit on it because you're selling it for like a little bit higher than you normally would, but also your customer thinks it's cheaper. What is the basis for the appeal of this advertisement? If you like to have a good time, then you would like the Fishbowl. If you like drinking, if you like staying out late on Tuesday, then you should come to this bar. So, new number 1 advertisement, karaoke night. So I wanted to delve in onto focusing on one major event. I am going to run out of time in like 2 minutes, but we'll see if we can get some of this. So with karaoke night and with the first advertisement, as you could see, it promoted karaoke night every Thursday night in a little tiny little black box, and it promoted all the other events. I wanted to switch it around. I wanted to make it a theme night, focus on karaoke night, etc. So the updated objectives for this advertisement. So my creative philosophy is basically that there were too many events on the original advertisement. There was too much copy. People weren't going to pay attention to that advertisement because there was just so much on it. Like if I see an advertisement that just has a bunch of words, I'm like, okay, I need pictures. I need images. I'm a visual learner. That's why I decided to focus on one major event, karaoke night. Moving on to the slogan, I really wanted to make it into a theme night, so I did Best of the 80s, karaoke night at the Fishbowl. And I don't know if you can see it, but at the bottom, I put every Thursday, 8 a.m., and sing for a shot. So basically, if you participate in karaoke, you can give out cheap shots to people for free, and that might also push more people to come. I want to talk about the theme night. That kind of updated the mood of the advertisement. Like, it's a different feel for the Fishbowl, but I think it would promote different people to come out to the Fishbowl. I'm actually running out of time on this screen recording, so I will start a new one in 1 second.